From streets to stars, Ronaldo's journey. Once upon a time in a small town in Portugal, there lived a boy named Cristiano Ronaldo. Born into a humble family, he didn't have many luxuries, but he had an unstoppable dream. While other kids played with toys, Ronaldo played with an old football in the streets. He was skinny, but his determination was stronger than anything else. People used to tell him, "You're too weak. You'll never be a great player." But Ronaldo didn't let anyone's words bring him down. Instead, he turned them into fuel. Every day, he trained harder and harder, rain or shine. He spent hours at the gym, worked on his speed, and mastered his skills on the field. Step by step, he transformed himself. From the small streets of Madeira to the biggest football stadiums in the world, he proved that no obstacle is too big when you have faith in yourself. Ronaldo's first big break came when he joined Sporting Lisbon, a Portuguese club that gave him his chance to shine. From there, he moved to the legendary Manchester United in England. With Manchester United, he won 3 Premier League titles, and the prestigious Champions League trophy in 2008. But Ronaldo wasn't done yet. He moved to Real Madrid, one of the biggest clubs in the world, where he broke countless records. With Real Madrid, he won 4 Champions League titles, and became the club's all-time top scorer. He also won the Ballon d'Or multiple times, proving he was the best in the world. Ronaldo didn't stop there. He took his winning mentality to Juventus in Italy, winning 2 Serie A titles. And in 2021, he returned to Manchester United, proving that age is just a number when you have passion and drive. He has also shown for his national team, Portugal, winning the Euro 2016, and the Nations League in 2019. Through it all, Ronaldo showed that champions are not born, they're made with sweat, sacrifice, and an unbreakable spirit. So, whenever you feel like giving up, remember Ronaldo's story: dream big, work hard, never give up. Because from the streets to the stars, it's your journey, and you can make it happen.